Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to copy BGMI sensitivity code. And firstly, launch BGMI and wait for the main lobby. Tap the gear icon at the bottom right corner to open settings. In the settings menu, tap on the sensitivity tab to access your sensitivity configurations. Once you're in the sensitivity section, tap the upload to cloud button. This saves your current sensitivity layout to your account. After uploading, tap Cloud Management to access your saved code and manage it. Find your uploaded configurations and tap Copy and Share. Your sensitivity code will be copied to your clipboard. You can now paste this code into a message, chat, or social media to share it with friends. After sharing or applying a new sensitivity code, head to training grounds and practice drills like the record control or quick scope to adapt to the new settings before jumping into real matches. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.